What's on TV tonight?
I don't know. Let's check the guide.
Is there any cricket match?
No cricket today. There's a comedy show.
I don't like that one. It's not funny.
How about a movie? There's an old action movie.
Which channel?
Star Movies. At 8 p.m.
Okay, let's watch that. Have we seen it before?
I don't think so. It looks new to me.
Good. Should we make popcorn?
Yes, I'll make it. You get the drinks.
Perfect. I love movie nights.
Me too. It's nice to relax together.
Do you prefer salty popcorn or sweet caramel?
I like salty popcorn more, but we can make both.
I think we should start the movie a few minutes early.
Good idea, so we don't miss the beginning.
We need to choose our snacks before the movie begins.
I'll grab some chips and soda from the kitchen.
Should we keep the lights dim for a better experience?
Yes, dim lights make it feel more like a cinema.
I really enjoy watching action movies with you.
Me too. They're always fun and full of surprises.
I hope the movie is as exciting as it looks in the guide.
The description says it has a lot of great stunts.
Let's make sure our phones are on silent.
Definitely no distractions during our movie time.
This is turning into a perfect evening at home.
I agree. There's nothing better than a cozy night in.
Are you comfortable on the couch? Or should I get more pillows?
I'm good, but an extra pillow would be nice.
I can wait if you need to use the bathroom during the movie.
That's thoughtful, but I'll go now before we start.
Next weekend, maybe we can watch a new series together.
Yes, let's find something exciting to binge watch together.
Thanks for planning this. It's exactly what I needed.
Anytime, Sam. I love our quiet nights in just as much.
The traffic is very bad today.
Yes, it's worse than yesterday. Are you late?
I'm a little late, but it's okay.
My boss understands too. Everyone is late.
Do you use this road every day?
Yes, usually. But sometimes I use the bridge.
Is the bridge faster?
Yes, normally. But not today.
How do you get to work?
I use a scooter. It's easy in traffic.
That is a good idea. I will try it.
Yes, it saves time.
Look, the cars are moving now.
Good. We may not be late.
Does the scooter work in the rain?
Yes, it's okay in rain. Just go slow.
How long is your trip to work?
It takes 30 minutes.
My trip is 1 hour every day.
1 hour in a car sounds hard.
Was your scooter ever in an accident?
No, I always wear a helmet.
That's good. Safety is important.
Yes, I always drive safely.
Maybe I will buy a scooter too.
Yes, a scooter is very helpful.
Is there parking for your scooter?
Yes, there is special parking for bikes.
That is easier than parking a car.
Yes, and it is free for scooters.
Will traffic be better tomorrow?
Probably not. Monday is always busy.
Let's check the traffic app tomorrow.
Yes, that app is very useful.
Thanks for your help, Mohan.
You're welcome, Raj.
It's nice to talk to you here.
Yes, it makes the waiting better.
I think we will be on time.
Yes, the road looks clear now.
What time do you leave your house in the morning?
I leave my house at 8 o'clock every morning.
Is your scooter new or old?
My scooter is a few years old, but it's reliable.
Do you feel safe on the scooter in the city?
Yes, I feel safe. I stay in the slow lane and wear my helmet.
Good morning. How can I help?
I need this dress shortened.
Okay. How much shorter?
About 2 inches, please.
Let me measure. Yes, that will look good.
And these pants are too loose.
I can take them in. Try them on first.
When will it be ready?
Tomorrow evening. Is that okay?
Perfect. How much will it cost?
200 rupees for both.
That's fine. Should I pay now?
No, when you collect. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Yes, I can fix the tear. It is a small job.
Can you also fix a small tear in this shirt? It is on the sleeve, near the cuff.
I see it. It is an easy repair.
How much extra will that cost?
It will be an extra 50 rupees.
That's reasonable. Please fix it too.
Of course, I will add it to the bill.
Do you have any matching thread for this dress?
Yes, I have many colors. Let me check.
The color is a little special.
I think I have a thread that matches perfectly.
I need the dress for an event this weekend.
Do not worry, you will have it in time.
Tomorrow evening is perfect timing.
Good. I will finish everything by tomorrow.
Should I bring the pants back for a final fitting?
You can if you want, but it is not necessary.
No, I trust your work. You do a good job.
Thank you. I will do my best work.
Please make sure the pants are comfortable to sit in.
Yes, I will leave enough room for movement.
I will come after 5 p.m. tomorrow.
I will be here until 7 p.m.
Thank you for always being so helpful.
You are welcome. I am happy to help you.
Is there a discount for multiple alterations?
Yes, for 3 or more items I give a small discount.
I have another jacket that needs new buttons.
Of course, I can replace the buttons on your jacket.
Can you show me some button options tomorrow?
I have a box of buttons you can choose from.
Thank you for your excellent service.
My pleasure, Mrs. Sharma. See you tomorrow. What should we make for dinner?
I'm not sure. I'm tired today.
Me too. Something simple, maybe?
How about dal and rice?
Again, we had that yesterday.
You're right. Do we have vegetables?
Yes, potatoes and peas.
Okay, let's make a lamatar.
Good idea. I'll peel the potatoes.
I'll start the rice. Do we need anything from the store?
I think we have everything. Check for salt.
We have salt, but we need more oil.
I'll buy it tomorrow. Let's use butter today.
Okay, let's cook together. It's faster.
Should we add some onions to the aloo matar?
Yes, onions will make it taste much better.
I can chop them while you start the rice.
Okay, I'll wash the rice and start the pot.
We also have 2 tomatoes in the fridge.
Tomatoes are a great idea. It will be richer.
Let's use them too for extra flavor.
Please slice them. I'll get the spices ready.
Do you want the curry to be spicy or mild?
Let's make it mild today. I'm not feeling too spicy.
I'll go easy on the chilies today.
Thanks, Arun. My stomach will appreciate that.
We should start a grocery list for the weekend.
Good thinking. We can write it on the fridge notepad.
What else do we need besides oil?
We also need milk and maybe some yogurt.
We're out of cumin and maybe fresh ginger too.
Right, I think we used the last ginger yesterday.
Let's cook with what we have and shop tomorrow.
That sounds like a good plan to me.
Do you want roti instead of rice tonight?
Rice is fine. I don't want to make roti today.
It's easy to make, but rice is faster.
Yes, rice is quicker and less work after a long day.
It smells really good already in the kitchen.
The spices are starting to smell wonderful.
I love how cooking together makes it more fun.
It really does feel easier and nicer this way.
We make a good team in the kitchen, Neha.
Yes, we do. I'm glad we're cooking together again, Arun.
Mom, the light in my room is not working.
Did you check the bulb?
Yes, I changed it. Still not working.
Let me see. Maybe it's the switch.
What should we do?
First, check the main fuse. Is it okay?
I think so. The other lights are working.
Then it's probably the wiring. We need an electrician.
Can we call someone today?
Yes, I'll call Mr. Joshi. He's good.
How much will it cost?
Not much. Maybe 300 rupees.
Okay. I need light for my homework.
Don't worry. We'll fix it before evening.
Thank you, Mom.
It could be. But let's let the electrician check.
Do you think it could be a loose wire?
You can study in the living room for now.
I have my science book to read before tomorrow.
Yes, take the lamp, but be careful with the cord.
Should I use the living room lamp for now?
I'll call him right now. He usually comes quickly.
When do you think Mr. Joshi can come?
He is fast and knows his job very well.
I hope he can fix it quickly.
You can hold the torch for him if he needs light.
Can I help in any way while he works?
Good idea. Bring the small toolbox from under the stairs.
Should I get the toolbox ready?
Sure. I'll ask him to look at the fan switch too.
We should also ask him to check the fan switch.
Good that you told me. Safety first.
That switch has been feeling loose lately.
Yes, he brings everything he might need.
Will he bring his own wires and parts?
That's thoughtful. Clear the area near the switch.
I'll clean my room so he has space to work.
I'll tell you as soon as he confirms.
Let me know when he is on his way.
No problem. We can't have you studying in the dark.
Thanks for taking care of this so fast.
He will make sure everything is safe and working.
I feel better knowing it will be fixed soon.
Yes, you'll have your room light back in no time.
Hey, I can't find my keys at all.
When did you last see them this morning?
I saw them this morning on the table.
Did you carefully look in your school bag?
Yes, I already checked everywhere in my bag.
Look thoroughly under the sofa right now.
Okay, let me look under the sofa carefully.
Did you also check your jacket pocket today?
Let me check inside my jacket pocket now.
Always remember to check your pockets first.
Thank you so much. I was so very worried.
Next time, please keep them together always.
I will use the key hook every day.
Now you will definitely not lose them again.
I feel a little silly right now, actually.
Do not ever feel silly, it happens sometimes.
I was about to be so very late.
It is very good you found them quickly.
Should I also get a bright new keychain?
A very bright keychain is a great, excellent idea.
Bright colored things are super easy to see.
Yes, you will definitely see it much better.
I'll definitely hang them on the hook now.
Always hang them up when you come home.
Maybe I should hide an extra spare key.
An extra key is a very smart, good idea.
Where exactly do you keep your extra key?
I keep mine safely in the kitchen drawer.
That kitchen drawer is a good safe place.
You can certainly keep one there too.
I'll always check my pockets first next time.
Good daily habits will really help you.
I often lose things when I am rushing.
Please try to be much less rushed tomorrow.
Thank you again, you really helped me.
You are very welcome anytime you need help.
I will try to be more organized now.
Being neat will really help every morning.
Should I really get a small cute basket?
A nice basket by the door is perfect.
A small basket by the door is perfect.
It will certainly help you to remember.
I can definitely buy one at the market.
You can easily find one at the market.
My keys and wallet will always be together.
Keeping your things together is very smart.
You are seriously the best friend ever.
I am always here to gladly help you.
I am so happy I found my keys now.
Please have a really good day in class.